Hello and welcome back to Data Simplified, and today we are going to discuss the COUNTIF function in Excel and how to use that. You can also follow this along in Google Sheets or Excel in the desktop version. So first of all then, why might you want to use the COUNTIF function? Well, COUNTIF is great if you need to count the number that you see a certain time for a certain number of values. So for example, here we have a fictional selection of orders for Data Simplified clothing. We have the order number, the age of the customer, the category of clothing, the order value, and the quantity. And I want to know how many times I have sold an order with the quantity of 5 this year. So in order to do that, I'm going to use the COUNTIF function. So if we go to the bottom, in the quantity column, I'm going to simply type equals COUNTIF, open bracket, and then Excel wants to know the range of data. Where should it look to find the number that I'm going to specify? In this case, it's the quantity. So we're going to select the quantity column. And then it wants to know the criteria. What value is it looking for? So in this scenario, I want to know the number of times I've sold 5 items of clothing. So I'm going to put 5. Close bracket and hit enter. And there we have it, 17. And 17 is the number I've sold 5 items of clothing this year. Thank you very much for watching, and please come back and watch more Data Simplified.